When we enrolled them, he was, less than 2 years old, and he could just say a word or two. And we had that early, enrollment concern, whether it is the right time to put my son to this school, or there are so many things, that whether he will be able to adapt to this school environment or not. So things were running behind our mind, but then finally we decided, okay, let's just enroll him and see how he's doing. And
the school has provided a very safe and a very creative environment for my child to grow. Not only in one aspect, which is the studies, but other aspects which I can tell by the way he has grown, by the way he has started talking, by the way he has been able to make new friends, and by the way he has been able to do his own work, get ready by himself and eat his own food. I think all of this has been learnt in this school.
When I look back to the old days, she used to be very sick. So I used to I used to be very tensed, I used to be very anxious. So like the teachers have been really calming, and they have always told me, ma'am, this happens, just the next year onwards she will be all good. So it was like personal therapy for me as well, and even now also. So like whenever we have any tension or whether they are having some issues, so the teachers are always there.
The most important thing that I have seen all this while is food habit of eating. Children doesn't have that tend to eat with their own hands, and somehow the whole team, the teachers, they push them, they kind of motivated them, and my daughter started eating with her own hands, which is a good habit. And she is basically very much introvert. She used to stay quiet most of the time at home, but gradually she started being extrovert. She started mixing up with people. She started giving answers to people whenever someone is asking any question.
My child can say the words which I also don't understand sometimes. Like he can differentiate between turtle and tortoise, which I don't know. So I know there are many things he is learning, which every day he tells me something. I'm not able to understand, but I know he is learning something from here.
তো এখানে আমার যেটা এক্সপিরিয়েন্স, এখানে ভর্তি করে এখানে যে ডেভেলপমেন্টটা হচ্ছে সেটা শুধু পড়াশোনা নয়, সমস্ত দিক থেকে। মানে আমি দেখেছি 6 মাসের মধ্যে আমার বেবি ইন্ডিপেন্ডেন্টলি খেতে শিখেছে, টিফিন বক্স খুলে নিজে নিজে খাচ্ছে। সেটা একটা ভালো থিংস, মানে গ্রাসরুট লেভেল অফ ডেভেলপমেন্ট যেটা আমি বলতে পারি, যেটা এখানে সে পাচ্ছে। শুধু
Some things are different, like science classes, art exhibitions, then again music concerts, and similar different sort of simulation activities, which I really liked they do with the kids.
Every day she is very happy to come to the school, because every day they do different activities which is fun based, which makes them very engaging and happy, and to see her happy, that makes me more happier.
We love the school. My daughter has some special needs, and all the teachers have cooperated with us tremendously and have given her enough support wherever it is needed.
Here the teacher and the supportive staffs are very much genuinely good, and they take very good care of our child. And the thing that I have observed, that my child has become more confident.
He has improved a lot with the guidance of the teachers and all the staff members. They are all very supportive. They gave him a very warm love and affection.
जब बच्चे को हम बोलते हैं ना कि बड़े होके क्या बनना चाहते हो, तो मोस्ट ऑफ द चाइल्ड स्टिल दैट आई वांट टू बी डॉक्टर, आई वांट टू बी इंजीनियर, बट व्हाट माय डॉटर सेज, आई वांट टू बी टीचर. व्हाई? मुझे सावनी मैम बनना है, मुझे कंचन मैम बनना है, मुझे सुष्मिता मैम बनना है. क्योंकि अगर चाइल्ड मैम लोगों को देख के उनका फ्यूचर डिसाइड करते हैं, मतलब इससे बड़ी कुछ बात होता ही नहीं है. क्योंकि ये बच्चा को वो लोग इतना मन में उसका छाप छोड़े हैं कि वो फ्यूचर में क्या बन रहा है वो टीचर को देख के डिसाइड करता है. इससे अच्छा बात सच में कुछ नहीं होता है. ये बहुत ही प्राउड वाली बात है.
Little Millennium stands out when it comes to the development part of a child, my child's holistic development. They concentrate on everyone. So basically all the child are given importance. If they are lagging behind, they have their teachers' support, you know, to bring them up to pace and to take care of their development.
Every day when my son comes back, he cannot stop telling stories about what all he has done in school. And so I think we are very glad we fell upon this school, and I feel we are very blessed to have this school in our lives. So I want to thank Little Millennium Calcutta. Thank you.
More than this ABCD and learning the academic thing, like the school has really put some emphasis on instilling very essential value. So when I see her to be very kind, when people say she's very kind, she's very sweet, so it really makes my day. Apart from that, you know, the school also focuses a lot on the emotional, social emotional learning of the children. So those things really matter to me. She will learn ABCD, she will go to formal school, those things will be there. But you know, like the basic foundation is a very important thing for every parents, and like these are the things that will always be a lifelong thing.
One thing I'm assured of is basically all the children out there is going to be really talented, really brilliant, and definitely going to be a good human being, which comes first.
I want to thank Little Millennium Kolkata for having my child in the school. He is very happy, comfortable, and the commitment that the school is having, and my child is happy, and I feel very safe to send my child to school.
Principal, the teachers, the non-teaching staff, they have been brilliant. They have been very supportive throughout. You know, teachers are more friendly to their student than like when we ask, okay, what's happening in school, we don't get the response, but the teachers are very much up to date what is happening at home. So that kind of bonding they have with the teachers. The non-teaching staffs are so caring, so affectionate, just treating them like their own children. The principal is very reachable, so we are truly blessed, and you know, it was a great decision to put my child, to enroll him in this.
They are actually motivating us to come up with healthy tiffin, which is the best thing. And she started eating with her own hand, and also I've seen a better performance in terms of her hand-eye coordination, which improved a lot.
And when I see like she's getting to be a more confident person, like just from a little bud to a growing child, it feels very fulfilling.
We are genuinely therefore very happy.
And I really thank Little Millennium for this.
Thank you very much from the core of my heart.
Thank you so much, Little Millennium. We are grateful to enroll our child in the school. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Little Millennium Calcutta.
Thank you, Little Millennium.